Do you need a website in 2019? That's what we're talking about in this video. Hey everyone, I'm Jeremy Schick and I am a web developer. Been developing websites for 10 years and my goal is to help small business owners just like you succeed online. Now the question today is, do I even need a website in 2019? You know, some people might say, I've got Facebook, why do I need a website? Or I've got Instagram, why do I need a website? And let's just think about this. What do? If you're looking for a local service provider in your area, how do you get that accomplished? Do you go to Facebook and look for them? Probably not. Their search algorithm is not very good. Same thing with Instagram. You know, it's mainly a place for posting pictures and marketing your business that way. I would venture to guess that the vast majority of you aren't pulling out of Yellow Pages when you're looking for a local service provider. You're probably going to Google and typing in a search phrase like accountant in your city or contractor in your city. And let's be honest, that is what the majority of people do when they're looking for a service provider in your area. So the answer to that question, do I need a website in 2019? Absolutely. Are there other ways to market your business in 2019? Absolutely. But when you're looking for that customer who is sitting at the computer or their mobile phone and they are literally right then trying to find a provider for the service that they're looking for, a website is still the best value for your dollar when you're thinking about marketing. So, do you need a website? Absolutely. Not only that, but you want people on your social media, let's say you're using social media right now exclusively, you want some place for those people to land. You want to be able to direct them somewhere where you can capture their email, capture their information, try to lead them down a sales funnel that ultimately leads to more revenue for your business. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel if you like marketing videos like this, and as always, I will see you on the next video.